Good day everyone, I am Gisami Palaran Bandola and I am the reporting of understanding animal locomotion. What is animal locomotion? Animal locomotion is the movement of animals from one place to another. Some forms of locomotion are running, jumping, flying, and hopping. Role of skin in locomotion: arboreal, terrestrial locomotion, aquatic locomotion, and fin and flipper locomotion are some important topics related to animal locomotion. This is the role of skin in locomotion. First is arboreal locomotion. Arboreal locomotion refers to species that live in and move through trees. These animals often possess physical adaptations that aid in this movement. These adaptations may include long limbs, prehensile tall and close animals that exhibit arboreal locomotion include squirrels, sloths, and monkeys. Second, terrestrial locomotion are any of the several forms of animals' movements such as walking and running, jumping, saltation and crawling, walking and running, in which the body is carried well of the surface on which the animal's moving substrate occur only in arthropods and vertebrates. There are the three basic forms of animal locomotion in the terrestrial environment. First is leg, moving by using appendage. Second, limbless locomotion, moving without legs, primarily using the body itself as a propulsive structure. Third, rolling, rotating the body over the substrate. The third one, aquatic locomotion. Aquatic locomotion or swimming is biology-propelled motion through a liquid medium. The simplest propulsive system are composed of cilia and flagella. Swimming has evolved a number of times in a range of organisms, including arthropods, fish, mollusks, reptiles, birds, and animals. Aquatic locomotion in animals moving through water, either by swimming or by progression in contact with the substrate, i.e. the bottom or other surface. Free-swimming locomotion is found in animals ranging from protozoans to whales. Next is fin and flipper locomotion. Occurs mostly in aquatic locomotion and rarely in terrestrial locomotion. From the three common states of matter, gas, liquid, and solid, these appendages are adapted for liquids, mostly fresh or salt water, and used in locomotion, steering, balancing of the body. What is the difference between flipper and fin? Fins have no true bones or skeletal structure within and are composed primarily of cartilage. A flipper has a bone structure as well as cartilage, joints, and tendons. Animal locomotion. Animal locomotion in ethology is any of a variety of movements or methods that animals use to move from one place to another. Some modes of locomotion are initially self-propelled, e.g., running, swimming, jumping, flying, hopping, soaring, and gliding. There are also many animal species that depend on their environment for transportation, a type of mobility called passive locomotion. Sailing, some jellyfish, keating, spiders, and drooling, some beetles and spiders. These are the three types of locomotion. Locomotion is the ability to move from one place to another, and the three types of locomotion which are performed by living organisms include flight locomotion, swimming locomotion, and land locomotion. Flight locomotion is flying, which includes the motion of an organism through the air, example, birds. And here are the purpose and advantage of locomotion. Purpose: locomotion helps us to move from one place to another. In general, animals require locomotion for defense, searching for food, and shelter. The locomotory movement is the coordinated movement of various bones, tissues, and joints such as cartilage, muscles, bone, ligaments, and tendons, etc. The advantage: animals move for variety reasons, such as to find food, a mate, a suitable microhabitat, or to escape predators. For many animals, the ability to move is essential for survival, and as a result, natural selection has shaped the locomotion methods and mechanisms used by moving organisms. The term etymology is locomotion form in English from Latin loco, from a place. Ablative of locus, a place, plus motion, a moving. Mao na siyang gitawag nga locomotion. Locomotion in different area. Aquatic swimming. Aquatic, the drag encountered in water is much greater than in air. Morphology is therefore important for efficient locomotion, which is in most cases essential for basic functions such as catching prey. A fusiform, torpedo-like body form is seen in many aquatic animals. Through the mechanisms they use for locomotions are diverse. Next is benthic locomotion. Benthic locomotion is movement by animals that live on, in, or near the bottom of aquatic environments in the sea. Animals walk over the seabed. The tube feet typically have a tip shaped like a suction pad that can create a vacuum through contractions of muscles. This, along with some stiffness from the secretion of mucus, provides adhesion. Waves of tube feet contractions and reductions move along the adherent surface, and the animals move slowly along. Some sea urchins also use their spines for benthic locomotion. The term benthic refers to anything associated with or occurring on the bottom of a body of water. The animals and plants that live on or in the bottoms are known as the benthos. In ocean waters, near shore and estuary areas are most frequently mapped. So, here is an example of benthic. Clams, worms, oysters, shrimp, like crustaceans, and mussels are all examples of benthic organisms. What is an benthic animals? Animals that live in the sea floor are called benthos. Most of these animals lack a backbone and are called invertebrates. Typically, benthic invertebrates include sea anemones, sponge, corals, sea stars, sea urchins, worms, crabs, and many more. Aquatic surface. Aquatic surface. Balilla cells always align along the direction of the wind, where the cell may act as an aerofoil, so that the animals tend to sail downwind at a small angle to the wind. Aquatic surface is an advanced water system composed of multiple specialized materials useful in making lakes and falls. Aquatic surface is well-optimized advanced materials that implements configurable water effects. That's all. Thank you.